Namaskar, children. This is Disha ma'am, and yes, we are going to learn English. As you can see on the screen, we have come towards the last chapter of this literature book. Last week, I explained the chapter. I hope you guys remember. The chapter is about writing an email, which we already know because we have been writing letters. The only difference between an email and writing letter is email is sort of electronic mail money for sending or receiving. You need a computer or a mobile or a laptop, some kind of electronic support. Whereas when we write letters, we just need a postcard and our thoughts. Obviously, with the full address. So, in this chapter, the family of Mr. Singh goes to a very beautiful place in New Zealand. They saw a lot of things, and while seeing this, while observing this, they are writing emails to their friends, to their family. In this chapter, we also saw about new places to see or visit in Thailand and New Zealand. Hope if everything settles up, हम जल्दी से अपनी ये ट्रिप ले सके, वर्चुअल नहीं, सच में. चलिए, what we are going to do today? Yes, we are going to do the textual exercises. And this exercises would be very interesting because there are some matchings which I guess hardly हमने इस fourth standard में किया है. I know that you like matching with the columns very much. So, without wasting time, let us go to our today's classwork. So, here I am again with the book on the screen. Let us open chapter number 10. Chapter we have already done. Last homework was underlining the hard words or new words, and you have to write in your notebook. I hope you guys have done that. Chaliye, come to page 151. This exercise also we have already done because I have told you to find out the name of this temple. Emerald Buddha का जो नाम है, actual नाम है, that you need to give it to me. I have got answers. I have not received much answers. So I was wanting every one of you to search it out in Google and reply it to me. Anyways, chaliye. Let us start today's session with question number first. That is true or false. Right? English में generally you haven't done much of true or false and match the columns wala exercise. Chaliye, let us start. First one, Sumit wrote an email to Mariam. Did Sumit wrote an email to Mariam? False. It is a false. So you can write F or you can write F, false. A waka is a long boat powered by a motor. Is it powered by a motor? No, false. It is run by 80 men. It is a decorated boat, as we have seen that it is a decorated boat and it's run by 80 men. Mount Cook is in New Zealand. Mount Cook is in New Zealand? Yes, it is in New Zealand. So here we will write true. Mariam went to see the temple of Emerald Buddha in Thailand. Obviously, it is very right because yes, she went to see this temple. So the answers are false, false, true, true. Now match these pictures with the names correctly. Waka, the temple of Emerald Buddha, Hobbiton and Mount Cook. Now which is Waka? obviously, which we can see here. You can see this people are drawing a boat. So that is Waka. Temple of Emerald Buddha. You can see this. It is featuring like temple. Hobbiton, my dear children, एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे Lord of Rings की shooting हुई थी, right? So Hobbiton, it has, if you can zoom in your book, it has houses with circular doors, गोल दरवाजे हैं. That is Hobbiton. And last one is Mount Cook. These are the answers, right? Chalo. This 4 questions we will do afterwards. I'll be discussing and then we'll be giving you as homework. This page is clear? Okay. Come to the next portion, that is synonyms and antonyms. इसमें भी हम ज़्यादा time नहीं spare कर पाएंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि we already know what is synonym and what are antonyms. Synonyms are meanings, whereas antonyms are opposites. See, fast, quick, rapid, swift, happy, glad, cheerful, merry. Smart, synonym, bright, intelligent, clever. Interesting, fascinating, captivating, engaging. Great, excellent, outstanding, marvelous. The words that have exactly or nearly the same meaning as another words are known as synonyms. This you have been doing since 3 years, right? Meanings हम देखते हैं, हम हिंदी में भी we have शब्दों के अर्थ लिखे, शब्दार्थ लिखे. They are also synonyms, right? And विलोम शब्द या विपरीत शब्द are opposites, which are known as antonyms. So synonyms and antonyms you have already seen in your worksheets also. We have been practicing and we quite well know. Chaliye, turn the page. See, antonyms are the words that have exactly or nearly the opposite meaning as the another word except, opposite, refuse or decline. Comfortable, uncomfortable or uneasy. Early, late, delayed. Cheap, expensive, costly. Difficult, easy, yes, simple. Right? Chaliye, come to this exercise here. Complete this word puzzle with synonym of given words. It's wrong. Puzzle is not supposed to be done by you. What we will do is this you will be ticking and marking as HW, and here you will just write antonyms. Right? आपको इन सब के एंटोनिम लिखने हैं. ग्लोब का लाइन हो सकता है. ग्लोब इज बेसिकली अ सर्कल. सो एंटोनिम ऑफ ग्लोब, लाइन. बिगिन, आई थिंक यू नो इट इज एंड. लाइक, डिसलाइक. नैरो, वाइड. एम्प्टी, फुल. पाथ, रोड. illogical, logical. Proud, shame, ashamed. Right? You just need to write the answers besides them. No need of doing this in the crossword, because I tried doing it with the antonyms, but these spaces are not given. See, I'll give you just a simple example. Can you see this? Number 4. Now number 4 has to be given 2 answers. One is this below या down जिसे हम बोल सकते हैं, and one is across. Here we have only one, right? So this help box or this crossword is not possible. So what we are going to do? We are not going to worry. We will find our own ways, right? हमेशा याद रखना बच्चों, जिंदगी में there would be many choices, many times that you will feel that नहीं ठीक लग रहा है या नहीं ओके लग रहा है. So in that ways, don't worry, try another way out. कभी कभी ऐसा लग जाता है ना कि मेरे पास अगर बहुत सारी चाबियां हैं तो मुझे वो लॉक की चाबी, जो लॉक मुझे खोलना है उसकी चाबी नहीं मिलती है. So what I do, I'll rather select another चाबी और select another key. जब तक वो ताला नहीं खुलता है तब तक हमें चाबी लगाती रहनी चाहिए. We had a poem, try till you succeed. राइट. तो इस क्रॉसवर्ड भी हमें परेशान नहीं करेगा. व्हाट विल डू इज, instead of writing the synonyms, we will write the antonyms over here. That would be your homework. I repeat myself, don't try to do this crossword. Write the antonyms of the given words over here. Clear? Chaliye. Here again there is a spelling mistake. This is question number 2. Clear? Chaliye. Write S or A to indicate whether the following word pairs are synonyms or antonyms. This was supposed to be your homework, but no issues. I'll do it in the classwork so that it'll hardly take 1-2 minutes. Chaliye. Vision or dream. My vision is to become the Prime Minister. My dream is to become a Prime Minister. So they are synonyms. Frozen or thawed. I don't eat frozen food. I don't eat thawed food. It is synonym. Thawed food माने आपको पता हो तो मैकेन्स के पैकेट्स आते हैं या फ्रेंच फ्राइज आती है, यू नो, विच आर थॉड. जैसे अगर आप मैकडॉनल्ड्स में इफ़ यू गो एंड इफ़ यू हैव योर फ्रेंच फ्राइज, और इफ़ यू गो evenly to any place which is having a good place to eat, there this finger chips or this things or french fries, they are like thawed माने जो freeze किया जाता है. Right? So that is thawed. Annoy or bother. Yes, annoying or bother. Annoying is the same as bother. He is bothering me, he is annoying me, मुझे परेशान कर रहा है. This is synonym. Error, mistake. Synonym or antonym? Synonym. Yes, my mistake. It is my mistake or it is my error. Edge या border. Right? This is the edge. This is the border. It is again synonym. Faith or belief. I believe that God exists. My faith is that God exists. It is synonym. These are all synonym. Now, boast or brag. Now, both are having the same meaning. To boast something about or to brag about something. I wish I should not have brag about my family. Right? Boosting और bragging माने कुछ बढ़ा चढ़ा के बोलना, गलत गलत बढ़ा के बोलना, चढ़ा के बोलना. So these are both synonym, boosting and bragging. Choice or preference, right? My choice is tea instead of coffee. I prefer to have tea instead of coffee. So both are again synonyms. Light, dark. Yes, we all know they are antonyms. Expand and shrink. राइट. कभी कभी अगर आप विलन क्लोथ वॉश में डाल देते हैं, आप यू कैन आस्क दिस टू योर मदर. इफ़ यू नोइंगली और अननोइंगली अगर आप वॉशिंग मशीन में वुलन क्लोथ्स डाल देते हैं, देन दे श्रिंक. सम ऑफ द क्लोथ्स श्रिंक माने छोटा हो जाना, स्क्वीज हो जाना. राइट. एक्सपेंड मीन्स टू एक्सपेंड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी ऑल हैव सीन बलून, राइट. तो बलून में जब हम एयर ब्लो करते हैं, इट एक्सपेंड्स, एंड व्हेन वी टेक आउट द एयर इट श्रिंक्स. राइट. सो दीज आर एंटोनिम्स. चलिए, लेट अस रिवाइज द आंसर्स. विजन, ड्रीम, सिनोनिम. एनॉय, बॉदर, सिनोनिम. एरर, मिस्टेक, सिनोनिम. एज, बॉर्डर, सिनोनिम. फेथ, बिलीफ, सिनोनिम. फ्रोजन, थॉट, सिनोनिम. Boast, brag, synonym. Choice, preference, synonym. Light, dark, antonyms. And expand, shrink is also antonym. Clear? Chal. Move to the next portion, that is practicing grammar, quantifiers and articles. Articles also we know. Now what is the meaning of quantifiers? Quantifiers माने quantity दिखाता है वो. Right. A few and fewer are used for countable nouns. The things which you can count are known as countable nouns. और उसके लिए हम fewer या few, a few का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. A few, a little. Can you pass me a little water. Can I get a few pencil? Right? If you are using countable nouns, a few can be used. If you are using uncountable nouns, a little is used. A little or less. Lots of and lot of are used for both the types of noun. Depends on the sentences. It can be used on both the types of nouns. So infinite. So question number 1, filling the blanks with correct quantifiers. Chal. There are dash ice cubes. Now first you need to understand ice cubes. Countable or uncountable? Countable. So countable के लिए हम क्या लिखेंगे? A few. So there are a few ice cubes and dash water in the glass. Now water is countable or uncountable? Uncountable. So what will come? A few or a little? A little. Yes, correct. Very good. So the answer would be there are a few ice cubes and a little water in the glass. Chaliye next. We made dash noise. Now noise is again uncountable, so it would be less. We made less noise in the museum than we did in the bus. Next, the bus made dash noise. Lots of noise. बहुत सारा आवाज किया. As I told you, lots of can be used in both countable and uncountable nouns. The bus made lots of noise, but it took dash time to get used to it. Right? Time is uncountable. So uncountable के लिए we will use a little. A little. A little. We'll cut it off from here. So the answer would be the bus made lots of noise, but it took a little time to get used to it. Next, the museum had dash exhibits. A lot of exhibits. Lots of exhibits. उफ मैंने आंसर लिख दिया. नो इश्यूज, कोई बात नहीं. Lots of exhibits. चलिए नेक्स्ट. I have dash pencils but dash erasers. Right here you are having quantities, that is countable. I have few pencils, so a few pencils but fewer erasers. But fewer erasers, because but है contradictory statement है, that's why. Otherwise यहाँ पे भी a few erasers can come, but because it is but contradictory statement दिखाना है, that is why we have used here a few and here fewer. चलो let us have a quick reply. There are a few ice cubes and a little water in the glass. We made less noise in the museum than we did in the bus. The bus made lots of noise, but it took a little time to get used to it. The museum had lots of exhibits. I have a few pencils, but fewer erasers. Clear? Chal. Let us move to the second exercise of page 153. Complete the following sentences by writing the correct articles. Articles, what are articles? A, N, N, the. Right? We already know. फिर भी अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं A, N, the. They are the three articles. N कहाँ यूज होता है? Where the word starts with the vowel. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. I hope ये सब आप भूले नहीं हैं. There are 5 vowels in English alphabet, and which are they? A, E, I, O, U. Right? And the is used for a specific thing. और अगर उसी चीज के बारे में हम दोबारा बात कर रहे हैं, then we use the. I have a pencil. The pencil is orange. अगर इसी पेंसिल के बारे में दोबारा सेंटेंस यूज कर रही हूँ, then we use the. चलिए. First one. New Zealand lies in dash Pacific Ocean. Pacification is 1. So we will write the. We draw for dash R. Now children, यहाँ पे ध्यान रखें. It starts with H. The spelling starts with H. ये last year भी मैंने आपको पढ़ाया था. The same thing. Honest बोलते हैं या R बोलते हैं. Here H is silent. So when you are speaking, it starts with O sound, right? So in that case, यहाँ पे उसके आगे हमको N लगाना पड़ेगा because the pronunciation starts within O sound. Clear? So we draw for an R to reach the airport. I repeat again, if the pronunciation starts with a vowel, there should be an N before it. And he is an honest man. An honest man nahi, he is an honest man. Right? We draw for an R to reach the airport. Now, we saw dash university building on the way. Now, here we have two answers. We can write we saw the university building on the way, or you can write a. Why a university starts, or when we speak university, the first sound is U, that is yellow वाला जो sound होता है वो अन का sound नहीं है. So university would have a. It is a university. Clear? It is not an university. So you will write a university building on the way. There was dash unique signboard on the road. Now again pay attention on what we are speaking. Unique. The spelling starts with U, but the का sound नहीं आ रहा है. Unique का ये Y का sound आ रहा है. So it is A. राइट ये याद रखना. जैसे यहाँ पे H की जगह पे प्रोनाउंसिएशन O से शुरू हुआ है, तो वी हैव रिटन N. सो इन दिस बोथ द वर्ड्स द प्रोनाउंसिएशन डज नॉट स्टार्ट्स विथ अन, स्टार्ट्स विथ EY. ये का साउंड है. द साइन बोर्ड वॉज मिसिंग डैश D and dash F. Here it would be a D and an F. Why an F? Because F is actually a word, but the pronunciation starts with A, elbow, FM, right? So you have to write N over there. Chalo, turn the page. Next one. You made dash U-turn near the signboard. U-turn, ear sound. So you'll write A. The road had dash S-band, S-band, and S-band. Dash Waikato River is the longest river in the New Zealand. It is, we are talking about one particular thing, so that is the. We read it in dash old book, an old book. Clear? This everything is about the pronunciation. I understand, I completely understand. ये तुमको थोड़ा सा हार्ड लग रहा होगा. Why? Because we have been taught like that way that अगर A E I O U आता है तो N आता है, and if the word start with S it should be A. But my dear children, the point to be noted over here, my lord, is that if the pronunciation of that words begins with the consonant, then it is okay to write N, or it is rather correct to write N, right? If the vowels sound is having consonants, if the vowels word is having consonant sound, तो वहाँ पे A लिख सकते हैं. अगर जो word है उसका pronunciation consonant से शुरू होता है, then it should be written A. And if the word's pronunciation starts with a vowel, we should write N. Clear? चलिए. This exercise again we don't need to do right now. अभी नहीं करनी है. Moving on to the next part. Email writing. We would be writing the email in our revision worksheet. If you have seen or if you have got your worksheets, we already know. So nothing to be explained much. Just कि आपका जो email ID है, that you should be knowing. किसको भेज रहे हैं आप, वो आपको पता होना चाहिए. And subject as per what the email says. Right? Closure. Here you have to write your name and the main concept or main body of the email. Clear? That is as I told you, it is electronic mail. So we need any electronic medium to send or receive an email. The practice for the same we would be doing in the revision sheet. Chaliye, now let us move to the last part, that is punctuation. Now what is punctuation? We already know, capitalization, apostrophe लगाना, comma लगाना, inverted commas लगाना, colon, semicolon, colon का use तो हम कम करते, but this 4 top things we use much. So this, take it and mark it as IMP. You have to read this whole box. We have already learned this, so we can quickly go to the exercise. Correct the following sentences by punctuating them correctly. You can use the hints provided at the end of the sentences. Hobbiton is in Waikato, New Zealand. Now, where is capitalization and comma is required? Here, capital W is required. Where is Waikato? It is in New Zealand, so there would be a comma, and of course New Zealand's NZ is also capital. Clear? Tim answered, yes, I would like some more water, please. Now here inverted commas. Now where do we use inverted commas? जब इंसान कुछ बात कर रहा होता है, the same sentence if you are writing, then we use inverted commas. So what did Tim answer? Tim answered, yes, I would like to have some more water, please. So these are the sentences. This is the proper sentence what she spoke. इसीलिए वह inverted comma में आता है. Don't chew with your mouth open, warned Mrs. Singh. Right? What did she warn? She warned, उन्होंने क्या बोला? Don't chew with your mouth open. Right? Now, don't, D-O-N apostrophe T. So, don't chew with your mouth open, warned Mrs. Singh. We saw a Waka Ama race, open countryside, traditional hangi cooking and Mount Cook. Now, see, use of comma. We saw a Waka Ama race, comma, open countryside, comma, traditional hangi cooking, comma, and Mount Cook. Right? This all we have done in grammar very early. बहुत जल्दी, बहुत पहले कर दिया था. I'm sure this was the best holiday yet. I am sure, apostrophe आएगा. I'm sure this was the best holiday yet. Next, Sumit loves movies. Therefore, he loved the movie set in Waikato. Semicolon. Semicolon. Where do we use semicolon? It is used, therefore या but या however लगाया है उसके आगे. Sumit loves movies. So here you can write semicolon. This is new concept. Semicolon कहाँ use होता है? Semicolon is used in the place of the words, but हो गया, and हो गया. उसकी जगह पे if you are using semicolon, it distinguishes two sentences. Basically, semicolon distinguishes two sentences. So instead of and or but, you can use that. But यहाँ पे अगर therefore है तो therefore और however उस ऐसे words के आगे आप semicolon लगा सकते हैं. Alright? चलिए move to the next one. Mrs. Singh told her children the capital of New Zealand is Wellington. Inverted comma. उन्होंने क्या बोला? The capital of New Zealand is Wellington. This is inverted comma. And the should be capital. Whatever sentence is being spoken, right? That should be in inverted commas. Last year भी हमने बहुत बार ऐसे sentences पढ़े थे. Sumit didn't enjoy the flight back home. He wanted to stay a little longer with his cousins. Now here can you see? Didn't, ये तो हो गया. चलो, did not की जगह पे did n apostrophe t. There are two sentences. See, Sumit didn't enjoy the flight back home. He wanted to stay a little longer with his cousin. Because he wanted to stay a little longer with his cousin. So because use नहीं किया है, So here you will write semicolon. Clear? Next, Mrs. Singh said she liked New Zealand because of three things: clean air, open spaces, and pleasant weather. Right? Because of three things. So here, because के आगे you will write semicolon. Because of three things, which are they? Clean air, comma, open spaces, comma, and pleasant weather. Here, because के आगे नहीं लगेगा, it would be after things. Mrs. Singh said she liked New Zealand because of three things. That is one sentence: clean air, open spaces, and pleasant weather. Right? Chaliye, next. Mrs. Singh is afraid of heights. However, she liked Mount Cook. Mrs. Singh is afraid of heights. However, before however, we'll put it, she liked Mount Cook. However के बाद एक comma लगेगा. Why? Because it is required after however we have to put a comma. Before however there should be a semicolon. Right? Next. Tim did not go to Mount Cook. He does not like cold places. When we are having two separate sentences, दो sentences है जब हमारे पास, we put colon. Right? Tim did not go to Mount Cook. Colon. He does not like cold place. This is a where the here actually colon use कब होता है कि जब जो second part of the sentence है, it is written to explain the first part. Clear? यहाँ पे भी मैंने गलती से column की जगह पे semicolon कर दिया है. Here it would be colon. Right? Tim did not go to Mount Cook. क्यों नहीं जाना चाह रहा था? He does not like cold places. Clear? चलिए, this is end of this chapter. This would be your homework. If the sentence is correct, write C in the blank. If the punctuation is needed, you can do the punctuations. Right? Punctuations आप कौन कौन से करेंगे? Apostrophe, comma, capitalization, inverted commas, colon and semicolon. Clear? Don't worry, I'll be sending the answer key. Chaliye. Till we meet tomorrow, this is Disha ma'am signing off. Bye bye.